possible tracks. Like a Lance, you can shift decent. These things they don't go in and smooth nicely.
Gotta mind it right smooth.
Oh yeah, you have to work the clutch a little bit to get her in. They're not great shifters.
Now we have to try this thing out.
Have you got another carpet? What? Have you got another carpet?
Yeah, he has more. Yeah.
Shotgun shop.
It's just ordinary shell, but no shit.
It's about a 12 gauge?
No
Yeah, it
pellets
is
in
12 gauge.
Take the pellets out.
Yeah.
I guess it. But it's
should
pretty
duck.
powerful. It has 3 different kinds of pellets.
But I mean, if a guy gets sick in the field, you just go out and shoot.
There
you go.
Have you got the
Three.
Okay.
Ready, what's this one again? Ready? Ready, where are you?
Now a kill.
That's the oldest one right here.
Where?